This is a photo of Bradford when he was 19 years old and stationed in Woodbridge, England. This is the briefcase that Brad had made when he was there. I'm going to oil it up, dye it, and fix all the broken stitching. I'll be replacing at least this one strap, reattaching the buckle, and fixing this handle. I'll also be making a carry strap using his granddad's old belt. To attach the strap to the briefcase, I'll be adding a couple of D-rings. Here's what the back looks like. This is before, and now this is after. Dyed, antiqued, and repaired. Here is the carry strap. To get the proper length, I cut and dyed a piece of strapping to match Brad's granddad's belt. And this is Brad today when he stopped by the shop to pick up his restored briefcase.